Everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a black and white tablescape that I created, and this is part of the summer vignette collab 20 hosted by Cheryl of istylemystyle, and her co-host is Bree of Bree's Project Book. And what they have asked us to do is use the color black and white because they are lovers like myself of the classic colors black and white. And they say you can create a vignette or a tablescape or just any type of decor in your home that you want to share for this collab. And so what I did is created a black and white tablescape. Yes. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content. And if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. Tap your notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So with that out the way, let's go ahead and get into this classic black and white tablescape that I created for $0. I use items that are already in my home. That's what my channel is about, showing you ways to decorate your home without spending any additional money. So this place setting is a white charger from the Dollar Tree, a black plate from the Dollar Tree, and this beautiful white linen napkins that were gifted to me from one of my beautiful YouTube sisters. And I have the flatware right there, and these beautiful crystal glasses were a wedding present, and I decided to pull them out for this collab. So that's one place setting. And then directly across from here is the same setting. And so I went ahead and did a different setting over here where I still used the white charger and the black plate from the Dollar Tree, but I folded my napkins different. I did the buffalo check napkin that I picked up from Hobby Lobby for 90% off last year. And then I folded the white linen over that one. And then I just added a smaller plate. So the same glassware here. So that's it. So this one and the one directly across from this one is the same. So this is my centerpiece. This is a vase that I DIY'd. I did the black glossy on one side and the white matte on the other side. Then I embellished it with these gemstones to cover up the imperfections of where the two colors meet. And then these are my two friends, Mr. and Miss Squirrel. If you've been watching my channel, you met them already. And so that's it. I want to go ahead and thank Cheryl and Bree for hosting this challenge. When they said black and white, I immediately stopped what I was doing and wrote down the dates and all the rules because I love black and white. I think black and white is going to be my colors for a while now. I don't have a certain style. I'm simple. I just like to get straight to the point of decorating. And I don't like a lot of fuss, so I guess if that's a style, that's my style. So that's it. This is my black and white tablescape. And I'll have these ladies' channels linked in the description box along with the playlist. And you know what Miss V always says, I'm going to help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you. Thank you, Cheryl and Bree. And thank you to everyone who's watching this video. Thank you, and have a nice day. Show you how I folded the napkins. It's just simple. I just folded it in a triangle and then just placed it over the plate and took the sides. I just wanted to do something different. I have never seen anyone do this napkin fold on a tablescape, and I've seen over hundreds of tablescapes. I've never seen it, so I just wanted to do something different. So that's it. Thank you for watching.